The mystery of North Sentinel Island is rooted in its isolation and the enigmatic behavior of its inhabitants, the Sentinelese people. The island is one of the last remaining places on Earth that remains virtually untouched by modern civilization and is known for its extreme hostility towards outsiders. Key aspects of the mystery include: 1. Isolation and inaccessibility. North Sentinel Island is small, heavily forested, and surrounded by coral reefs, making it difficult to approach by sea. The Sentinelese people have fiercely protected their isolation for centuries, rejecting contact with the outside world. 2. Uncontacted tribe. The Sentinelese are considered an uncontacted tribe, meaning they have had little to no direct interaction with the modern world. They have been living in seclusion for an estimated 60,000 years or more. 3. Hostility towards outsiders. The Sentinelese have shown extreme hostility towards any attempts at contact by outsiders. There have been instances of violence towards intruders, making the island off-limits to visitors. 4. Limited knowledge of their culture. Due to their isolation and hostile behavior, very little is known about the Sentinelese culture and way of life. Their language, customs, and beliefs remain largely a mystery. 5. Indian government's protective measures. Recognizing the vulnerability of the Sentinelese to outside diseases and exploitation, the Indian government has enforced strict laws and regulations to protect them and their way of life. The island is designated as a tribal reserve, and entry is prohibited. 6. Infrequent glimpses. Despite the limited contact with the Sentinelese, there have been a few brief, unofficial interactions in the past, usually resulting in violent encounters. One of the most notable incidents involving the Sentinelese occurred in 2006 when 2 fishermen accidentally drifted too close to the island and were killed by the tribespeople. In another instance in 2018, an American missionary named John Allen Chow attempted to reach the island to convert the Sentinelese to Christianity, but he was killed by arrows shortly after arriving. The enigma surrounding North Sentinel Island remains captivating and intrigues anthropologists, scientists, and society alike. However, it is crucial to honor the Sentinelese's preference to stay autonomously. It is why the Indian government has adopted a strategy of least incursion en route to guarding the Sentinelese tribe.